There we are. This is a, what do you call this? Is a ATCO, which has been done up as a John Deere. The way I didn't do it up, I'd have done it as a Ford or Massey or something, sort of up my road. That's how it is. Very basic, just your gears and your clutch, and you put on the clutch a bit further and you have a brake, sort of. And this is my left arms. Enough to fair wee, but I didn't know what you could lift here. On my stone, sure easy. There's your wee toe hitch. There's good mud guards on her, so that was a good job. Wheels aren't too bad, but this is a Briggs & Stratton 8 horsepower. Electric start on it. No pull on her, look. I don't think there's petrol tank and throttle lead. So that's what I got from my birthday. I've only got her home. Been out a couple of times on her. She's running very nicely. Good going wee engine on it. Then I've a sweeper for her over here. Sweeper. That hooks up in the back of her and there's the drive. The linkage goes on and the bed for it. Well, I'll get that on it. But sticks. There's my cane driller in it. Dig her out. Let's shake. Pump. Fucking pretty. And the pin. Too bad. This is a bit high now. But sure, the worst is just falling at the front low. There on the quad I have. This up. Let's get the pin on. And that's the pin on. That's where the drive goes for the sweeper and stuff. ATCO. ATCO sort of gives it away, so much of a John Deere. So that's how it is. I'll put her out here with this driller on it and see how she goes. Get up throttle ups for stuff. What an idea that is. So we'll just set this camera down to get it started. Started alright there. Just throw. Then cut the chin halfway. Pull her back and take first and off we go nice and easy. Right, third gear, flat out. Get roll again.